All right, for a quick review of polygons, polygons are closed figures. That just means edges meet, closed figures with 3 or more sides. So we want to be organized when we're dealing with our polygons. So when we first think about 3 or more sides, let's think about 3-sided figures. What do we call a 3-sided figure? A triangle. We said we can classify our triangles by their sides or their angles. If we're going to do it by angles, you can be an acute triangle, there's little angles, or an obtuse triangle with a fat one, or you can be a right triangle. It means it has a right angle in it. Or you can classify a triangle by its sides. All sides can be equal. That's called equilateral. You could have 2 sides equal. That's isosceles. Or you could have just weird looking sides, none of them match. Those are scalene. So those are our 3-sided figures, and then we go to our 4-sided figures. Quadrilaterals means 4 sides, means 4 lines. We just talked about those. We've got, for quadrilaterals, we've got squares, and we've got rectangles, and we've got a rhombus, and we've got a trapezoid, and we've got a parallelogram. We've got all sorts of figures in our quadrilaterals. So 3 sides, 4 sides. If we're going to be organized, we want to go 5-sided figures. 5-side, this is the one that I always say, pentagon, tentagon. You can just picture a tent, draw a tent. How many sides is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can make these all sorts of ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But just to help me remember, a 5-sided figure, pentagon, tentagon. 5 sides, then we go up to 6. There aren't too many words that have X's in them, but guess what? Hexagon does, and hex means 6. That's how I remember that one. 7-sided figures are, I can never remember those. I think heptagons. But then we have 8-sided figures. Those ones are easy. Octagon and octopus. An octopus has 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's how I remember an octagon. Those are our most common polygons. Again, excellent vocabulary to get stuck in your brain. Geometry is a weird math. There are lots of words. Practice them using your vocabulary cards.